Hi everybody, it's Alan from Elan Tech Law. Today I wanted to talk about different ways that you can negotiate a contract for your business. So a deal's on the table, you've got, say, commercial agreement on roughly what's going to be exchanged between your business and someone else's. And so now we need to get a contract in place. I'm going to ignore the idea that you don't have a written contract and pretend that no one thinks that that's a good idea, because it's not. So let's focus on how we go about getting a written contract. And there's sort of three main ways. The first is you can do it yourself. So if you're a CFO or you're a founder, you may be accustomed to reviewing your own contracts. Obviously, it takes more time, more of your time, and there's probably a bigger chance that you'll miss something, or that the specific legal concepts or the wording doesn't capture what you want it to capture. But that's definitely one approach. The second approach is that you'd use a lawyer for some very targeted review. So you'll sort of take the lead on drafting, reviewing, negotiating, whatever it is. But sort of in the background behind you, you have someone that you'll go to and you say, hey, what does this term mean? Or do you think this language captures the idea that we're going to get paid based on these triggers or these milestones or whatever it is? And the third will be really where you're working with a lawyer and you're a team, right? So and there are different ways that you can do that, but your lawyer and you or your business folks are working sort of hand in hand to draft, review, negotiate, and you might have a couple of calls with the other side to sort of go through the different drafts that you've exchanged before you'd sign. So those are sort of the three, and obviously each subsequent one takes up a little bit less of your time as a CFO, founder, CEO, whatever the case is, and probably reduces your risk a little bit as well. So that's it for today. In subsequent posts or maybe videos, I'm not really sure, I'll dive into some details about each of these three different approaches, kind of the DIY, the targeted assistance, and the sort of team approach. So that's it for now, and let me know of any comments or questions that you have. Thanks a lot.